Hey guys, thanks for clicking on my video. It's just gonna be another pack opening. I like to get the packs out of their packaging, that way I don't spend too much time. But again, I got 3 circuit break booster packs, and then I bought a Kaibatin. So 3 2017 Megatin packs and the promo. So let's just get started with the promo. Let's see. So there's the secret rare Blue Eyes with the retro artwork, ultra rare Proxy, ultra rare Pot of Desires, number 68, Elder Ents, and the token. Sorry about that. Let's go into our 2017 Megatin. Beginning of an Earth, Doki Doki, Shino Bird Pigeon, Empowerment, Blackwing Decay and the Ill Wind, Persha Doll, Aeon. So starting with the super rare, we have Priestess with the Eyes of Blue. Gosh, it's gonna be a Zodiac pack. Zodiac Trident, Dark Contract with Enemies, and Tenamonte. Let's put that there. Mega Magic Cypher Extension, Ray Raptor, Predator Plant, Amazing, and Fairy Tale Rella. Off to our next 2017 pack. We have Performer Palace Seal, Eel, Engineer Howitzer, Ray Raptor, Fairy Tale Sleeper, Christian Entry, Digital Bug Corbage, and for the super rare, Toon Dark Magician. Nice! Secret rare, Blue Eyes Twin Burst Dragon. I actually just traded somebody for one of these because I never got to pull it. But it seems like now I pulled it. And Masterpiece, the True Draco Slayer. Spirit of Fall Wind. Pandora's Jewelry Box, Dynamist Anklets, Assault Blackwing, Beacon White, Preferred, Bottle 9. Oops. Alright. So our next one. Doki Doki, Metalful Silverage, Metalful's Paleozoic Picket, Rare Metalful's Apprentice Piper. So super rare. I don't know why the camera keeps cutting off, but let's continue. For the rare, I have Metalful's Fusion, Zodiac. Oh, the misprint. Nice. Zodiac Barrage with the misprinted A. And Odd Eyes Raging Dragon for the rare, Didi Savant Thomas. Okay. Let's see what we can pull from Circuit Break. Mr. Starboy. Alright. I totally wrecked the name last time. Antrocket Dragon. Temple of the Mind's Eye. Okay, again, Quiet Life. Super rare. Awesome. Dragnoid Generator. Cafe Pit Stop. Ojama Duo. Lula Caldo. Chick, and Remote Rebirth. Okay. X-Crawler Synthesis. Self-Destruct Ant, World Legacy Pawns, Goki Headbat, Trickstar, Black Cat Bat, Ultra Rare, Samurai Destroyer, Motor Burst, World Legacy Shadow, Dark Angel. Alright, Duck Dummy, Restrict, Recto Starling, Goki Headbat, Amazon's Pet, Tiger, and Metaphys Executor, super rare. Awesome. With Altergeist Camouflage, Crawler Dendrite, Langling, Soldier Dragons. Sorry guys, just makes me kind of impatient. I know I went through that real quick, but yeah, just let me know what you think of my pulls. Let's do a quick recap. Here are the rares. Not gonna name them off. Alright, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys later.